Welcome to Product Critique, where we help you make the best buying decisions. Today, we're showcasing what we believe to be one of the best building insulation products out there, the 400SF White Reflective Foam Insulation Vapor Barrier for warehouse buildings. If you're looking for high-quality insulation for your building, this is an option worth considering. This product is designed with efficiency in mind. It features a 1/8-inch thick foam core, sandwiched between reflective aluminum foil layers, which makes it an excellent choice for preventing radiant heat transfer. In fact, it blocks up to 97% of radiant heat, ensuring that your building stays cooler in summer and warmer in winter. This is especially beneficial if you want to create a more comfortable environment while reducing energy costs. One of the standout features of this insulation is its ability to act as a vapor barrier. This is crucial for preventing moisture from entering the building and causing damage over time. By creating a sealed barrier around your structure, it not only improves thermal efficiency but also protects against condensation, which can lead to mold and mildew growth. It's perfect for use in warehouses, garages, or any space that requires a reliable moisture barrier. Installation is straightforward as well. The reflective foam insulation comes in 4 feet by 100 feet rolls, covering a total of 400 square feet. The material is flexible, which makes it easy to cut and fit into place, and it seals around nails, ensuring there are no leaks. Not only does it keep your space well insulated, but the ripple design also increases airflow, making the entire system work more efficiently. And unlike some other insulations, it doesn't collapse over time, maintaining its performance year after year. For those concerned about its environmental impact, it's worth noting that this insulation is a member of the U.S. Green Building Council, ensuring it's a sustainable choice for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint. Whether you're insulating a warehouse or looking to reduce noise, this reflective foam insulation is a versatile and effective solution. In summary, if you're looking to save on energy bills while improving the comfort and longevity of your building, this 400SF White Reflective Foam Insulation Vapor Barrier is an excellent choice. Be sure to check out the link in the description to learn more. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and we'll see you next time with more top product reviews.